If your cleaning supplies look like a rainbow, you need a safety lesson. Here's how to avoid chemical hazards at home. In every home, we have a variety of chemicals: cleaners, pesticides, paint, and more. These products help keep things tidy, but they can be dangerous if not stored properly. Kids are curious and love colorful bottles, so always keep chemicals out of their reach. Use locked cabinets or high shelves. Never store chemicals near heat sources like stoves or fireplaces. Extreme temperatures can cause leaks or explosions. Also, avoid keeping chemicals near sinks or water sources to prevent contamination. When it's time to dispose of chemicals, don't pour them down the drain. Contact your local waste disposal facility for proper instructions. By following these simple guidelines, we can keep our homes safe for everyone. Safety isn't just about avoiding accidents. It's about creating a healthy environment for our loved ones. For more safety tips, subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's make our homes a haven of peace and security together.